Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Look at guys. Galing ako labas. It is 6:30 in the morning. Pero look, ang ginawa ko is nag-harvest ako, guys. So, ginawa ko, nahinog na talaga tong iba. Pero lutuin ko pa rin yan. Masarap kasi yan, gisa. So, yan. At saka may okra. Kunin ko yung talong doon mamaya. Kinuha ko lang sila ito. Yan, so marami tayong gulay. Hindi ko pa nagamit yung iba. Good morning, everything! Ano yan, guys? Ang aga. At saka si Habs iyak ng iyak din. Yan, nanonood lang kami ng news. What is this in my head? This is what happened when I always go over in my garden. Sobrang aga. You hungry, little boy? Hello, good morning. Say good morning to everything. Good morning, everything. Teng, teng, teng. My little bug mo nang bug. Dimples right here. I love you, everything. Hello, baby. What are you doing, Dimp? What is in there? Hi, Dimp. Hello, baby. Ay, Habs, no. Nalibat yun siya sa ganahan kayo yan. Palibat-libat na ba? Come here, damn Hab. Oy, jealous yun, oy. Bakit you're always jealous all the time with your siblings? Why you're jealous with your siblings all the time? Why? I always want anyway. I always touch you always. Why you're so jealous, huh? Good morning. Say good morning to everything, hey. Say good morning to the everything people here. Mama, a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. Good morning. Give Mama a kiss. Again. Come here. Come here. Roxy, come here. Come here. Give Mama a kiss. Come here. I know. Win. Come here. Kapag gagawin niya, guys, yung boses na yun, oh, it means na, you're so annoying. Oy. Why you want me to kiss you? Honey, did you hear that? She always talk every time I want her to kiss me. She always says something. Ayan, good. Midi, mama naman, baby na. What do you want? Do you wanna go up? Look, tingnan nyo. Come give Mama a kiss. Kisses. No electric, guys. Tommy is so happy that he has his coffee. Oh my God, wala na namang electric. Oh my God. Pero, may narinig akong bang. Iwan ko kung saan yung bang yun. So, walang electric. Let your sister eat. Let your sister eat. I know you eat really fast. Kawawang Dimples. Ganunin lang niya palagi. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Yan sila. Nandun sila. Yeah, gusto niyang... stay there. Stay. Dimples sa labas. Ito na sa loob. Stay. I know it's not enough. Dada just give you freaking food and that's it. It's just really tiny. No. No, you cannot go. Look, guys. Tignan niyo ito. No, stay here. Just gusto man ito, eh. Tignan niyo si Roxy. Why we don't eat? Why only my sister and brother, huh? Why you guys doesn't feed me? She's very nosy, look at her. Every time I talk to her sibling, stay there, you're not allowed here. Nako talaga. Tignan niyo itong isa. Okay, I guess she walk away, look. Ganyan yan si Habs, guys. Kapag hindi enough yung kinakain niya, ang gagawin niya is she pulls Dimples away. Kaya paminsan naawa ako kay Dimples. Kasi sobrang taba. Papayat yun.
Amazed what you could do.
It's starting to happen every day. People are surprising themselves the moment they realize they can do more with less
Probably teach me, Jack.
thanks to Dupixent.
Not as bad as yesterday.
can hear them fixing. Tammy calling Amy. And then, Tammy, the neighbor, tumawag dito sa bahay. Kung wala ba daw kaming kuryente. So, ngayon, tinawagan ulit ni Tammy na, ano, I think it's, nandun sila sa labas. I think they fixed somewhere. I think doon sila nag-fix, oh. Yan, nilagay ko dito yung upuan na, guys. Kasi, ano, yan. Maganda dito maglagay ng, ano, yung flowers doon, oh. Ang init na, kakatapos ko lang ano, guys, nagdilig ng halaman, aw ng bulak, aw ng mga gulay natin. So, ngayon, sabi ni Tammy, mag-shower lang daw siya. Sabi ko, bakit kayo mag-shower? May pupuntahan ba tong asawa ko? Hindi ko gets, pero let's see kung anong plano niya. Kasi ako, hindi pa rin ako ready kung may lakad siya. Pero iba talaga tong asawa ko, guys. Mahilig magsampay. Kung pwede pa akong isampay, sinampay na niya ako kahit saan-saan. Sabi ko sa kanya, Han, pumunta tayo ng Home Depot. Nakalimutan pala nating bibili ng cushion sa upuan. Sabi niya, don't worry, babalik na. Naghanap ng paraan para makabalik. Magbili daw siya yung bungkal. Kasi nagbungkal kami kahapon, diba? So sabi niya, bili daw kami kasi may maliit kaming ganun. Nasira daw. Kahit hindi nasira daw. Gusto niya ng malaki. Hala, sige, mas mabigat. Go ahead. Hello guys! Good afternoon na. Malapit na nakabihis na ako't lahat-lahat. Andin lumabas ako, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Kasi kinukuha ko yung mga dahon ng tomato na yung mataba at saka yung pinaka-old na dahon. Para naman kasi may nakita akong video, yung babae na mahilig sa garden niya. Yung, ipakita ko sa inyo. Hold on. Ang tagal naman
This one off just so I can show you guys what it's like. Just like that. So now we've got one main stock.
So, yun siya. Palagi ko siyang pinapanood kasi mahilig siya. Malaki yung property kasi niya. And then, pinapanood ko. May nakita akong paano i-trim yung tomato. Ganon-ganon. So, marunong ako mag-prune kasi easy naman lang yung pruning. Pero yung i-trim mo yung mga dahon, kunin mo yung mga dahon. Yun, kinuha ko yung mga dahon. Itapon ko to. Tapon. Ito na, guys. Ito na siya, oh. Look. Wala nang dahon sa ilalim. Walay na. Kita niyo na yung mga bunga, look. Mga bunga. Wala nang dahon. Malinis na. Diba? Saka guys, tignan nito. Ang laki. Ang laki talaga nito. Grabe. Mamaya na. Oy, Han, what time are you planning to go? Soon. Like, I'm gonna buy like this. I think you have to order this, huh? Huh? Gusto ko yan sa guys. Ito din, maganda din siya. Pero mas gusto ko yung puti. And they have this wood thing here, oh. Oh, that's what you're looking for now. Let me see.
Mix and match. One like
Is that going to fit?
Yeah, they only have the one.
The only one like that color?
That's it. It's marked down to 34.
34. I wish they have two of this. What is the other thing? The same thing? The back? They have in the back.
Yeah, but it's not. It's shorter.
Oh, it's shorter.
It's shorter and it's different.
Front porch. Maganda ito, oh. Cordyline red star. I think this is like pangloob, ah. Huh? That's really big.
I don't know what size you're looking for.
What brand?
Never heard of it.
Flood. That's the brand, Flood.
89.
59. 4 years.
Yeah.
Are we
I
gonna do
wouldn't
that?
get two.
Huh?
Why would I get two?
Are we gonna do that? What kind of gloves you looking for
I
this?
mean, wood putty too.
Where we can find that gloves?
Wood putty. Oh, it's gotta be in here too.
Yeah, maghanap tayo ng gloves kasi kamayin daw namin yung kamayin. They don't need to mix this. What? We just gonna carry this home?
What?
They don't have to mix it.
No. Exterior filler. Sandable, paintable.
Anyway guys, so we're looking for big lots. Let's see if we can find one here closer. Why? I don't know why I can't. Napunta kami sa ibang big lots guys. Napunta kami sa ibang lugar. Malayo-layo sa amin. So ngayon, na tayo. Oh, they have the table thing here too. Look. Let me look over here. Maganda oh. Ito oh. Oh yeah, this is the same thing.
No,
Look.
that's too long. That's for a cheap lamp.
Oh.
This one.
You have only one?
Only one.
What the heck?
And one of the other one.
What is wrong? How about this? This one is nice. This one is nice.
I just said you didn't like blue.
What is that? This is a good material, Han, compared to this. Oh, they're kind of like the same, really. What is that? Maganda tong table na to, guys. 100 or 170, 175. And it's shorter, though. Si Tami na yung nag-drive. There's cup somewhere. Siya na yung nag-drive. Sabi ko ikaw na. And then the big lots that there's cups on. The big lots that we went to, they don't have the thing that we're looking for. So they have only 2. So ngayon, magpunta na naman kami sa ibang sa ibang lugar. Hanapin natin yung hinahanap natin na Tammy is want to go out to aisle. Punta kami sa Walmart guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Instead of big lots, Walmart manuuntahan eh. I like the color. Oh. No, look at the price.
$15 on account. What do you expect it's gonna cost?
7.
Yeah, okay.
So dito muna tayo. Hopefully meron sila guys. Let's go dog and cat food too. It's over there. Oh my god, this is so big. I need 3 of them. Is that there's a hole in it? No, you have to make it.
Punch 'em.
Yeah. How much is it?
Should be
15 bucks. Oh, it's right there. 15, Tommy. No, but I bring it inside the house.
Yeah, but it still looks nicer than that.
That's for outside, hon.
They're both the same.
Okay, let's find that thing. Yan lang yun, guys. Ang dami nang nabili. We've just given shopping, never ending. Okay, find the thing. Not that. Seriously. Oh, enough ko talaga. They don't have it.
Griddle.
What is griddle?
Like it's a hot plate.
A hot plate? Oh, that's a nice one. Huge one, huh?
This is nice. Start yourself.
How much is that?
500. That's not bad.
500 bucks?
Yeah, that's pretty cheap.
It's so heavy. I like this. nandito na kami sa bahay. Yung nilakad namin, may hinahanap kami. Hindi namin nahanap. Pero yung iba, nahanap namin. Yung hindi namin hinahanap, nahanap like dog food. Yun yung hindi namin hinahanap pero nakita. I know we have lamb here, honey. Where is it? That's we're gonna eat that for dinner.
Oh, it's there somewhere. You're right.
Oh well, I don't see any. So
Well, unless you eat it, it's there.
I don't eat anything. You're the one who eat it.
I didn't
Remember?
give it to the dog. I didn't eat it, so it's in there.
You're very something.
I'm not. It's in there.
I know. Don't be fighting with
I'm the
me.
one looking in there.
I won't talk to you for a month again.
That have all those?
I'm gonna start talking to you.
Keep saying it, man. When I go in your room and you get mad at me for going to your room.
What?
Here's a piece of steak.
No, that's your steak.
Here's a potato.
No, I'm talking about the lamb. I'm talking about the
Two
lamb.
pieces of steak and a potato.
Okay.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, you got it for the dog.
Fish that my wife made. Trying not to eat.
Yeah, because that's the one you buy and it's bad.
Oh, look, lamb.
Oh, there you go. That's our
Come
dinner.
out and bite you on the ankle.
Do you want me to talk to you, lovey-dovey, with you, or I have to stop?
I told you it was in there, but I gotta go in and look for it for you.
Oh, God, eggplant. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's go. May hinog. May hinog. Kunin natin, look. Kunin yung hinog. So, guys, ito na yung gulay. Yan siya. And tomato, leftover steak. And then yun, ginisa ko na yung onion and garlic. And then ilagay ko si paminta, guys. Did you send it already? Oh, nakalimutan ko pala. Update pala kahapon sa... Nakalimutan ko, guys. Update kahapon sa ano. Sa meeting ni Tami online. May dalawa yung kausap niya. And then, paanuhin daw si Tami kung magpadala daw siya ng sulat kung magkaano yung halaga sa kada salida, kada palabas. Kasi siya yung may gagawin siya sa mga palabas daw. And then ngayon, sinisindan niya ng ano, kung magkano yung hingi niya. So sana, tanggapin nila yung ano, yung sinabi niya kung magkaano yung ano, isang palabas, ganun. So, pagkatapos niyan, ibabrown ko lang siya and then ilagay ko yung tomato next. Yan. So, lumabas si Mr. Tignan natin kung anong ginawa nito. What is that? Why are you drilling? Holy cow. Be careful, huh, that you don't cut your foot. Careful. You're gonna hit the thing, you broke it. Hala. Ang tigas ng ulo. Tigas ng ulo ni Tami talaga. Grabe. Ang tigas-tigas. Ang tigas-tigas. Ang iniluto ko dito nawala naman daw. Anyway guys, aalis na naman si Tami kasi yung kapatid niya is pupunta doon sa isang bahay. Okay? So, gusto niyang andun siya. And also, may ulan. So, I think mga 2 days ata yung ulan doon sa New Rochelle area. So, sabi pa niya, punta ako doon. Ayaw kung pupunta yung kapatid kong mag-isa. Aha. Kasi takot siya nga baka maraming itapon. Kasi mahilig din yun magtapon. Aduy! 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 He's going to leave me again. When we can see you again? Friday. Not tomorrow. I'm sorry. So if I make the pork, I won't eat it. I'm just gonna make it.
You can eat it.
No. Yeah. I like to enjoy it with you. I can cook it. You know why I have to cook it? It's in the refrigerator. You think it will survive till Friday?
I'm sure it will.
Huh?
I'm sure it will.
Ako na naman mag-isa plus the 2 dogs. Are they eating, Han?
No, Rocky ate.
Roxy did.
Yeah. Yes, he did not.
Roxy did. Do you eat? You didn't, Rox. Look, the 2 of them jumping. So, ang hirap ganito eh. Naawa ako sa kanya kasi ang init doon sa isang bahay. Walang air conditioning. Wala. Sobrang init.
Eat your dinner. Don't give me that look. Eat your dinner. Come on. Eat your dinner. Be a good girl. Eat your dinner. Come on. Be a good girl. Show me you're a good girl. Eat your dinner. Eat your dinner. Eat your dinner. Come on. You know that's supposed to be.
Covering, hiding it. She pretend that she's hiding it.
Well, clearly, if she could see it, she nobody else could see it.
No, that's her thing since she was a baby. And now she hide it enough.
Eat your dinner.
She said, I hide it enough, you cannot see it.
Come on. Come on. Eat your dinner.
Said, I hide it enough. How come you can see it? Now he hide it again. She hides it again. She tried to cover it with the wind. Look. Like, I'm covering it. Wait. And she keep putting her nose.
Okay. Don't eat. Don't eat.
What, you're calling your son?
Yeah.
Where you think he is? He's so cute. He is so cute. You're so cute, little boy. You're so cute, little bug. Come here, bug. Come down here. Look at him. He's so spoiled.
Put your feet upstairs.
He is so spoiled. My
Come
God.
on. Come on. All right. Give me feet.
Right here. Holmes. Come here, down here. Come. Dada is leaving. You go down. Shit, I was sleeping upstairs. You guys bother me. Nako talaga. Okay. Say
Love you
goodbye
too.
for them and then you will be
Bye,
back.
guys. I'm dirty and filthy.
You're not. They cannot tell.
You can't tell. I can tell. The bones are up here.
I'm not giving them anything because he
No,
won't.
they're not closed though.
We will see him tomorrow or Friday, right, big boy?
Yeah, not tomorrow.
Hello, why is it everything is wet here? Can you give me a towel, please? I feel bad you're leaving me, and I'm so sad that you're not gonna be here with me. Hug me, oink.
Come down here. I think you're all the way up there. You just stand up there with a camera like this, like that. Statue of Liberty. Okay, hon. Really? You holding the torch? Put their collars back on them.
Oh,
They're dogs.
I don't care about them. They have too much in their
I
neck.
care about them.
And so yun, and I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I appreciate it. Please keep on watching, guys, because Tammy and I will do giveaway every now and then. So hopefully makapanood kayo ng mga videos natin. I-click nyo lang yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo, para kapag kapag mag-post ako na magpa-giveaway ako, makita ninyo. So yun siya. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.
Rockabye,